Phase 2, the shadow signal. Deconstructing the chaos.
The archive is alive. It's a predictive engine.
AI doesn't just read data. It extracts meaning from noise.
Emails, customer logs, internal chats. The debris of business. Sentiments missed by humans are clear to the Sentinel.
Correlations found in the garbage of yesterday's logs. Indexing the unindexed. Categorizing the invisible.
Operational data is the most overlooked asset in history. One delayed shipment in a dark log predicts a stock drop. Refining the raw information. Turning shadows into signals. Associative memory for global markets. Connecting dots. Finding hidden links that public models can't see. Personalization versus privacy. The dark data dilemma. Traditional encryption protects what? We exploit how.
Hardware optimized for hidden intelligence discovery. Real-time extraction. The alpha waits for no one. The Dark Data Toolkit. Arming you with the unknown.
Visible ships. Invisible cargo weight. The real balance.
Analyzing the physical world through its digital shadow.
Switching perspectives. Seeing the full spectrum.
Your organization has a shadow. It knows more than you. Digitizing the analog leftovers. No signal left behind. The archive is alive. It's a predictive engine. Validated discovery. Dark data becomes hard currency. Welcome to the treasury of the unseen. Scaling the offensive. Phase 3. Predictive domination.
Sensors in the office track breath to predict occupancy.
Energy consumption spikes. Reveal, production starts.
Even the ripples are data points for the observant machine. Liquid data. Distilling profit from every resource.
Nothing is private. Every movement is a metric.
Listening to the silent hum of the global supply chain.
Metadata is the architecture of the new economy.
Finding the truth in the haystack of disinformation. Signals intercepted. Shadows captured. The overlay of reality. The unfair advantage. The ink of insight. Mapping the unknown. The pulse of the unseen market. Stepping through the glass of public perception. Cooling the engine of discovery. Seeing the crack before the earthquake.
Orchestrating the signals into a symphony of alpha.
Geography is obsolete. Data is the only border.
The vision is complete. The shadows are clear.
The dawn of the shadow signal. Phase 3. Predictive domination.